This is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete. Should Ho-Ho climb up the window by using a chair? That's not the right... You are right! Awesome! Do not climb up windows at will. Should Whiskers climb up the cupboard at home? You are right! Awesome! Cupboards collapse easily. Children should not climb on cupboards. Should Whiskers climb the tree to play without protection? That's not... You are right! Awesome! Climbing the tree is very dangerous. Whoa! Whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there's a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! 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 Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over to the Put on the life jacket. Safety first. These are relief supplies. Get them out of the water quickly. The flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete. Whoa, whoa! Should Whiskers climb up the roof temporarily to stay safe after the flood submerges the house? You are right! Should Whiskers separate himself from the rescue team during flood evacuation? That's not... You are right! Awesome! When there is a danger, follow the rescue team closely to ensure your own safety. Should Whiskers climb up to a higher place when there is a flood? That's not... You are right! Whoa, whoa!